Hello guys, today in this video I will tell you how to make your YouTube channel art in 60 seconds, very quick and very easy. So first of all you have to create an account on this snappass.com site, and I will put my login details. This is very easy. After that you have to come to this interface, and then you have to let's see, check this out guys. You can make all these types of graphics, Facebook or Instagram or YouTube channel art or YouTube end screen, YouTube thumbnails, and there is, you can see a lot of templates, so you can choose from any of them. And these are professional templates made by professional graphic designers, so you can get an idea for what your channel should might be have that type of art, channel art. So after that you can see here I have selected a template, and you can see there is a marking which tell us this is PC viewing screen, which area is for PC viewing, and which area is for TV, and which area is for tablet, and which and of course PC and a smartphone are the same, but tablet is a little different. So I will start making and editing here and there. you know will You can change text, you can change their colors, there are a lot of fonts, and this is very easy. You can create shadows, borders, highlights, if you can put all the facts. And guys, you will see at the end of this video I will have a stunning professional looking channel art for my YouTube channel. I will select some. You can select any graphics or clip art from here. You can search any of that you source according to your taste, and you can put here. You can change it color, you can flip, rotate, etc. You can do anything for you. And these are very beneficial. Clip arts are very makes things more professional and clear and crispy. So now here you can also have lot of options which include saving your work. Guys, another thing I want to tell you, this site is this free account have some limitation on downloads. So my trick for you is, you might have a one channel, so you might can have unlimited. Guys, look at this, finished my work. This is very I have put little effort, but this looks great. So guys, my trick is, you can create another Gmail account and get more downloads. Anyways, for one channel it's enough, and you can get downloads like PNG, JPG, and transparent background formats, and there are a lot of others. So this is my video and PC tricks, etc, etc. So you can't miss any